Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. So first of all, we go to settings, onto Bluetooth. We're going to be watching out at the bottom here. Now, there you go, you've got telephone. So you can either go to menu or just click telephone like so. You've got Bluetooth menu, not going anywhere. Click on Bluetooth menu, and there we go. Bluetooth, there's a tick next to, that's important, otherwise it won't work at all. Add new device, click add new device. Now, it's BMW 48300, BMW 48300, click on that. Bluetooth pairing request 350945. It's not likely there's going to be another one, but there you go. Compare this with the number on the BT device, just in case you're sat next to somebody else in a BMW who's pairing his mobile. So click on OK, click on pair, allow. It's really connected there because the sat-nav bit came up. But there you go, BMW 48300 connected.